Open the N3uron website and click Download N3uron in the upper right corner to the download interface. Click Download N3uron. Select Linux ARM32 version. Click Download software to download the ARM32-bit version. You can also select the ARM64-bit version. Copy the downloaded installation package to the BL330 device first. Enter tar-zxvf nuron-setup-linux-arm30-1.21.12.25.0 to 19.11.23.tar.gz to decompress it into the system. Enter the unzipped file, enter cd/n3uron/bin, and enter the bin folder. Enter ./n3uron install to install N3uron. Enter systemctl start N3uron to run N3uron. After entering N3uron, the username and password are the default. The username is admin and the password is N3uron. Complete the installation.